Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pennis Apron is probably one of the most controversial and intriguing men's fashion accessories to hit the market. Its unique design sparks curiosity and raises questions about its practicality, comfort, and overall appeal, making it a topic ripe for discussion and review. Today, we'll delve into the world of Pennis Aprons, exploring various designs, materials, and functionalities to determine whether this unconventional garment lives up to the hype or falls short of expectations. Number 5. Miracu Funny Cooking Apron. This apron is perfect for the funny men in your life who love to cook. It's durable, functional, and sure to bring smiles to the kitchen. It completely covers the front, protecting you from spills and splatters. Plus, it has 3 roomy pockets for all your cooking essentials. With its spacious pockets, it easily holds spice jars, eggs, tongs, and more. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Made from heavy-duty cotton, it's built to withstand many cooking adventures. Just be sure to wash it gently, avoid the dryer. It's designed to fit both men and women comfortably. The adjustable neck and waist straps ensure a perfect fit every time. It makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or just because. Show your appreciation with a gift that's both practical and hilarious. What we like. If you're looking for a gift that will make your loved one laugh while they cook, this is it. Its durable material ensures it'll last through many grilling sessions. The multiple pockets are perfect for keeping all their cooking essentials close at hand, making it the ideal choice for practical cooks with a great sense of humor. What people say. The size, print, and the fabric are very good. It is adjustable, so it can be used by a man or woman, and the black fabric is heavy, so some may get hot using it in warmer weather, though I was fine with it, and it is water resistant. This apron works great for barbecue, dishes, cleaning, yard work, or whatever you need. Number 4. Landisun Apron. This apron is perfect for any chef, from beginner to pro. It's designed to be comfortable and durable, so you can focus on creating delicious meals. Looking for a funny and practical gift? This apron is both. It's sure to bring a smile to any cook's face. The unique design makes it stand out. It's a great conversation starter and adds a touch of personality to your kitchen. Whether you're grilling outdoors or baking indoors, it'll keep you clean and comfortable. It's versatile enough for any culinary adventure. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials. It's built to last through countless cooking sessions. Get yours today and elevate your cooking experience. It's more than just an apron, it's a statement. What we like. This apron is a guaranteed laugh riot. Its unique design makes it a perfect gag gift for any occasion. If you want to add some humor to your kitchen, this is the one for you. It's sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. What people say. It's the size of standard apron. Since he loves to grill, I figured this would be the perfect gift as he has such a wonderful sense of humor. Hilarious gift for my husband, looks awesome. Number 3. Funny Apron. May the forks be with you. Get ready to laugh while you cook. This apron is perfect for movie fans and anyone who loves a good chuckle in the kitchen. Show off your love for Star Wars and your culinary skills with this unique apron. It's the perfect way to add some fun to your cooking routine. It's designed to fit comfortably, no matter your size. You'll have plenty of room to move around while you're cooking up a storm. Keep your cooking essentials close at hand with its 2 spacious pockets. It's perfect for holding utensils, recipe cards, or even your phone. This apron is made from a durable poly cotton blend, ensuring it's easy to clean and will last through countless cooking adventures. Looking for a gift for the cook, husband, or Star Wars fan in your life? Look no further. This apron is sure to be a hit. What we like. If you are a movie buff and love to cook, this apron is a must-have. Its extra-large size ensures it fits comfortably, no matter your size. The soft material makes it comfortable to wear for long periods, perfect for movie-themed cooking marathons. What people say. The material is strong enough that he said he could use the apron while doing other chores besides cooking. That's a plus. The screen printing is great and has shown no signs of fading or peeling. The quality is excellent, and I am certain he will get many years of wear out of it. Number 2. VIPbuy Couple Aprons. These aprons are a fun and functional addition to any kitchen. They're made from lightweight polyester, ensuring comfort while cooking. This set includes one apron featuring a funny naked man and another with a bikini girl. They're the perfect novelty gift for couples. With adjustable straps, it provides a comfortable fit for most. The lightweight polyester material is breathable and easy to clean. Whether you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, grilling at a barbecue, or attending a costume party, these aprons are perfect. They're also great for just wearing around the house. Looking for a unique and humorous gift? These aprons are a creative and memorable present for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. They're made from a durable, lightweight polyester that's easy to care for. The vibrant print ensures the fun design will last. Measuring 28 inches long and 21 inches wide, with approximately 21-inch straps, they comfortably fit most people. What we like. Spice up your couple's cooking time with this fun set. The novelty design is perfect for adding a playful touch to your kitchen. If you and your partner enjoy a bit of humor, this lightweight and comfortable set is the perfect choice for casual cooking and BBQs. What people say. The women's one fit me proportionately and perfectly aligned with where my body was. These came as advertised and are hilarious. Because our family missed Thanksgiving and Christmas 2020, we gathered at Easter. We decided to play Dirty Easter Bunny in lieu of our regular game of Dirty Santa. These aprons were the best gift based on the reactions of all present. What a hit, what laughter, what fun. Number 1. Zulay Kitchen Aprons. These aprons are perfect for both men and women. They're comfortable and practical for all your kitchen adventures. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. The stylish design will make you look great while you cook. The adjustable neck strap ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. No more struggling with ill-fitting aprons. Keep your essentials close at hand with 2 spacious pockets. It's perfect for holding utensils, recipes, or your phone. Looking for a fun and practical gift? These aprons make a great present for any occasion. They're sure to be a hit. These aprons combine humor and practicality. They're perfect for adding a touch of fun to your kitchen. What we like. Get 2 aprons for the price of 1. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit for everyone. If you need practical, comfortable aprons with plenty of room for your cooking essentials, this 2-pack is a steal. What people say. Great quality, has pockets and room to adjust height. Great quality. Giving as gifts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.